Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Sweet Retreat, McCall Vacation Rental. The Wi-Fi login, as you can see there, is a Silver Pine and the password's Fun Times. And if you need to reset, right down here is going to be the modem. And so this guy right here in the back, you would unplug that and cord on the very bottom and wait for about 3 minutes, plug it back in. Now, if you need to have access and it defaults to the, well, if the system defaults back to the password, that is going to be set on the back of this thing. So that will allow you to have access to the default information. So you can see what it says right there. Set up Wi-Fi, name, password. So if you have any further questions, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634-0030. Hope you guys are having fun while you're here at the Sweet Retreat in McCall.